Hello everyone, I am Rashmi Pal and today we are going to learn more about addition. So let's begin. Before starting, we should do a quick recap. You have 5 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 pencils. Now you got 2 more pencils. 1, 2. So, how many pencils do you have in total? 5 plus 2, that is 6, 7. So you have total 7 pencils. Now for example, if you have 10 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your mama gave you 2 more sticks. Now how many sticks do you have in total? These are 10 and these are 2. So you have total of 12 sticks. This was just for revision purpose. I am erasing this all. Okay, few more things to remember, like write heading at the center of the page, write date at the top left corner, and then begin. There are few points to remember, like 1, 2, 9 are one digit number. 1 digit number. And 10 to 99 are how many digit number? 1, 2. This is also 1, 2. So 10 to 99 are 2 digit numbers. Now 100 is a 1, 2, 3. It's a 3 digit number. So today we are going to learn the addition of 2 digit number and 1 digit number. Suppose I said 12 plus 3. So what you have to do, first you have to write tens and ones. You can do it like you have to write tens, ones. You have to add ones first. What is there on the ones place? It's 2. Now you have to add 3 in it. So adding the ones, 2 plus 3. So 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 1 plus there is nothing at the tens place. So we will write 1 only and the answer is 15. We are doing few more examples. Suppose I am saying 15 plus 4. So what you will do, you will just write tens and ones. Let me write the steps for you. Actually there is step marking. So if you write the steps correctly, then it will help you in solving the problem further. So step 1. Write tens and ones. Step 2. What we will do next? We will add the ones. What is there on the ones position? It's 5 and we have to add 5 plus 4. So add the ones first. These steps are only for your help. You don't have to write these steps on your notebook. So here 5 plus 4. We will do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 5 plus 4 is 9. And 1 plus, there is nothing. There is a just sign of addition here. So it's 1 only. So make sure you write answer at the bottom of the question. Then only your question is finished. Like answer is 19. I'm giving you a few more questions. Like 42 plus 5. You have to write tens and ones. Then and write your answer here. "33 plus 6. Write tens here, ones here. Let's do these two more questions. Then other questions you can do by yourself also. There is 2 and 5. We have to add 2 and 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And there is nothing, so we will write 4 only. So our answer is 47. You have to write this also, answer. Then there is 33 plus 6. So 3 plus 6. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 3 plus 6 is 9. And there is nothing. So we will write 3 only. And the answer is 39. These questions were really easy. You can practice more questions like these. This was all for today. Thank you so much. Make sure you practice the questions given in your book. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.